All right, got the solar panel mounted on the bike trailer. I decided I wanted something not flat. I made a continuous angle on each of the four mounts. There's 4 sets of solar panels in there. So I think it'll work pretty good. We'll know more after I get it wired. But anyway, that should be pretty fun to be able to go wherever you want and be charging your batteries while you're going, and then when you're there, keep charging them till they're full if you're going to sit there for a long enough time. It's a little bit tedious to work with the materials I did, but it turned out fine. It's pretty rigid. Should hold up fine. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now.